And we're back again, guys. So this is the somewhat finished product from cleaning. This side looks good. I still got to hit it with the Scotch-Brite. And the rear side definitely needs to be hit with the Scotch-Brite, but it is so much nicer. So I'll spend the extra couple of minutes and get that Scotch-Brited up, clean it up, make it look good, and we'll move on to the next one. Yeah, these are going to be kind of just some short ones real quick to keep everything updated and motivated. And okay, guys, we'll see you on the next one. And we're back again, guys. So we have the passenger side off. This one came out really good. I think it came out a little bit better than the other one. So we'll scrub this one up, get off all loose debris and whatever. And I'm going to do a wire wheel instead of the Scotch-Brite on both of them, because I didn't realize how expensive the Scotch-Brites were. I really didn't. So to save money for us, it makes this job a little bit easier, I hope. But yeah, we'll get everything done, taken care of, get these things all scrubbed up, make them look all nice and pretty, then prime them and paint them. But all right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. And we're back, boys and girls. They're drying. They came out really nice. And I love the fact that you can still see the stamped Fomoco in the parts. Yeah, that came out real nice. So I'll let this one finish drying. That's your passenger side. Here's your driver's side. This one's actually ready to paint. So yeah, came out really nice. These will look great all painted up and ready to go. But I'll probably wait just a couple more minutes just to make sure that they're as dry as possible before I start trying to do paint on them. But all right, boys and girls, I guess we'll see you in the next one.